go. STLBlues00's 2-box break. 13-14 Panini Select. And Series 1. Good luck to you, sir. We're going to start with the Select. So let's hope the CloutsnChara's in here for you, buddy. I think out of all the big rookies, he's the only guy I haven't pulled out of here yet. Seen McKinnon, seen Yakupov, seen Galchenyuk, seen Gallagher, seen Huberdeau. No CloutsnChara yet. We start with a future of Corey Conacher. Corey Conacher and a rookie of Matthew Conan. We've got a Youth Explosion autograph, Ryan Garbett. Fire on Ice, Jared Tenorti. And a Prism Refractor, Mark Messier. Rookie, Daniel Bang. And we've got a rookie auto Prism Refractor. Numbered 18 of 99, Nick Petrecki. 18 of 99, Refractor rookie auto. And we've got a Prism Refractor, Yuri Toulouse. Cornerstone, Anze Kopitar. And a rookie of Drew LeBlanc. We've got a Select Signatures, Travis Turnbull. I foresee a huge rookie jersey auto coming up. I can feel it. Honored Selections, Patrick Waugh. And a Prism Refractor, Chris Versteeg. Rookie, Carter Banks. Cake eater. And here comes the boom. Well, we've got a rookie jersey autograph. Number to 199, Antoine Roussel. Number to 199, Antoine Roussel. Oh, that's nice. And we've got a gold parallel. Numbered 2 of 10, Guy Carbonneau. 2 of 10, Guy Carbonneau. And a Prism Refractor, Yuri Hudler. There we go. Now on to the Series 1. Now it's time for the CloutsnChara show. Oh, he's a Habs, so there's probably more than a few. All right, we start with Hockey Heroes Raymond Bourque. Canvas Patrick Sharp. Oh, and this box is off to a good start. Young Guns, Sean Monahan. Young Guns, a rookie guard. We've got an Upper Deck Exclusives, number to 100, Ryan McDonough. And there he is attempting to put Corey Perry into the bench. Canvas, Ryan Miller. Shining Stars, James Neal. Hockey Heroes Mario Lemieux. Super Mario. Canvas Dustin Brown. Well, this is a hell of a box already. I don't even think it matters what comes next. Young Guns, Jonathan Huberdeau. Jonathan Huberdeau. Young Guns rookie card. MVP Henrik Lundqvist. Young Gun, Sami Vatanen. Not bad at all. Canvas, Derek Brassard. Shining Stars, Nazem Kadri. 6 Young Guns a box like clockwork. We've got an MVP gold script. Numbered 73 of 100, Mikko Koivu. Young Guns, Danny DeKeyser. Let's go Red Wings. Let's go new PC. Danny DeKeyser. MVP rookie, Peter Mrazek. Let's go Red Wings. Upper Deck game jersey, Ryan Getzlaf. MVP Pavel Bure. Base. Young Guns, Matthew Dumba. MVP Corey Perry. Upper Deck game jersey, Nicholas Backstrom. MVP Jason Spezza. TJ is more of a shutdown guy, so I don't know if I pick him up in a straight points pool. His plus minus is great though. And the Young Guns of Lucas Lesio. So there we go, buddy. Now for your overtime pack. Now we got rookies of Damian Brunner, Roman Cervenka, a gold rookie, numbered 18 of 99, Ryan Murphy. This is my kind of break. And a rookie profiles, Jordan Schrader. There you go.